Hey there, it's Arif from Metrix Craft, and today I'm going to share a simple yet powerful strategy that can dramatically improve your landing page and skyrocket your conversions. And the best part? It's all about small tweaks that have a huge impact. Let's dive right in. Your landing page could be the silent killer of your sales, but don't worry. With just a few changes, you can turn things around. Recently, we tested a tiny change on a project and we saw a 20% increase in conversions. Yep, you heard that right. A 20% lift just from a few strategic adjustments. Let me walk you through exactly what changed. First up, clear CTAs above the fold. This is crucial. By making sure that your users can see the next step right away, without scrolling, we eliminate hesitation. They know exactly where to click, and that leads to faster conversions. Next, social proof. A concise set of testimonials placed near the hero section of your page. This helps build trust quickly and puts potential customers at ease. They'll know they're not the first ones taking the leap with you. Then, we simplified the checkout process. We reduced the steps, minimized form fields, and offered a guest checkout option. Less friction or more conversions. It's that simple. Why do these changes work? Well, first impressions matter. Trust signals, like social proof, reduce hesitation. And when the path is frictionless, people are more likely to convert. A better landing page isn't just about making it look pretty, it's about boosting your ROI. Small, deliberate tweaks can compound into significant revenue growth. Now, here's a challenge for you. If you've recently made any tweaks to your landing page and seen an improvement, share your changes and the results in the comments below. Let's crowdsource some quick win ideas together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this video with anyone who could use a landing page makeover. Catch you next time.